Good evening and welcome to the news at 10. Police still have no leads in the killing of Vikram Singh.
Singh, security guard, was found dead 2 weeks back in a flat media like to call. Since the authorities have been unable to find probable cause of death in these strikingly similar and mysterious deaths, CBI has taken over and deputed Special Agent Dushyant Bhardwaj to solve these cases. We have Agent Bhardwaj online. Agent Bhardwaj, do you have any comments?
I have just taken over the case, but I have strong grounds to suspect criminal involvement.
सर दूध
मैंने नहीं मंगाया।
सॉरी। वैसे भी इसके बाद इस फ्लैट में और किसी के लिए कुछ लेके नहीं आना पड़ेगा।
How did this get here? हाँ सर, I thought nothing had happened last night, but अपने लैपटॉप के लॉग्स चेक करने से मालूम पड़ा कि the webcam had turned itself on और पूरी रात मुझे रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था. But there does not seem to be anything unusual on the recording.
Hello Dushyant, welcome to my diary. Hope you enjoy getting to know me. September 1st. Today is a very special day. Today is the day I met Ram. September 3rd. Ram is such a gentleman and we get along so well. I'm so lucky. I can't believe I met a guy like Ram through a matrimonial site. September 7th. I love Delhi. I'm so glad that I moved here. But I love Ram more. That's all for today, Dushyant.
The webcam seems to turn itself on again every night, but there doesn't seem to be anything unusual in the recordings. I wonder what is going on. There definitely seems to be What the hell is that? How did it get into the room? Okay, that's just great. Where the hell is my torch? Alright, let's check what's wrong with the fuse. Where the hell am I? Hello? Is anybody there? Is anybody there? What? Who? Stop! What the hell was that? What is that? Oh, shit! Holy fuck! Hell! Haven't slept in the past 36 hours. Seem to be losing my mind here. Weird things keep happening. What the fuck? Where did the freaking bedsheet go? What is that? Holy shit.
October 1st. Ram seemed a bit distracted today. Must be his job. It has been stressing him out lately. October 6th. Ram didn't turn up for the date today. He has not been taking my calls. October 13th. I think he's seeing someone else. I saw him with another woman in Saket Mall. November 1st. How could I distrust Ram? She was just a colleague. He still loves me. He wants me to meet his family tomorrow. I'll finish this story later tonight, Dishant. Sweet dreams.
I expect a breakthrough tonight, sir. Sapna is going to meet me.
Sapna, but isn't she in the room with you? Aren't you dreaming already?
I hope you remember my story so far, Dishant. I killed all those people.
Why?
This is where Ram had called me to meet his parents. At least that's what I thought. He cut me up into 10 pieces and they were never found. Only the diary carried memories of me, but it also imprisoned me. The only way I can escape from it is to give it 10 lives.